What's up, y'all? Welcome back to the channel. So today we are going to go ahead and change out my front bumper. As you can remember, my wife got in a little fender bender. She ran in back of a truck with the trailer hitch, and it bent up the bumper behind it, as well as it busted up this front plastic cover. So what we did was we picked up a new bumper, and as well as a new cover. We picked up an OEM cover and the OEM, these things, I forgot what they call. But we picked these up as well. OEM, so that's OEM. The bumper cover is OEM. That's not OEM because they discontinue making the bumper behind it. So you just got to get a regular bumper, and it all fits the same. So I just picked up this bumper from the paint shop. So I'm actually about to go ahead and try to put this on now. When it came, the bumper actually came, you know, in this plastic like this. So I dropped it off to the painter. The painter, he charged me $200 to paint it black, the same color code as the truck. So at this point, what I'm gonna do is, first things first is I need to go ahead and take this grill out. I was a little worried at first because I thought that the grill was actually busted. So it worried me a little bit, but to kind of find out the grill isn't busted. It actually popped out of all the clips. It popped the clips out. So it's not broke at all. None of the clips are broke, so that's a plus. The only thing that's holding this grill on right now is this front cover. So I'm gonna go ahead and take this front cover off. Then we're gonna go ahead and pull this bumper off. We gotta transfer all the brackets that holds the cover to the bumper. Gotta put all those brackets from there to there, and then the brackets that actually hold the bumper on, I'm gonna change those out. So I purchased those as well. So let's go ahead and get this grill out and see if we can go ahead and get this bumper off, and then I'll come back and show you exactly what I'm doing. So let's get it. All right, as you see, we got the grill out. It was easy. If you can see here, all of the clips are still good to go. So that's a big win, because these grills are discontinued and people are trying to sell them for like 800 bucks to include this piece down here. So as you can see, this piece actually, it broke right here and it broke in the middle there. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna actually try to fix this piece. So I'm gonna take this piece off, and tonight I'm gonna try to fix it, plastic weld some of this stuff, and get it back straight, because this piece as well, they're trying to sell this one piece for $800. What is going on right now? So this one right here isn't broke. I don't know if this one is or not. Let's see. I don't know. This one isn't broke either. So what I'm gonna do is, I still got to get my back bumper painted. So when I get my back bumper painted, I'm gonna take these in, and I'm gonna just get him to shoot these black. That way I got options whether I want to go with the gray ones, or I can just black out the whole front grill. Y'all know I like to black out everything, so I may black out the wheels, and if I do that, then I'll black out these as well. So all right, let me get this bumper off real quick, and then we'll come back. All right, so we got the bumper off. So finally trying to get my hands down in these tight spots to get this one off, and this one off was pretty rough, but there's literally only two that's holding the bumper on. This one and this one are the only ones holding on, and then the brackets on the side. So there's literally, what, that's that four, there's 6 bolts, and the bumper comes right off. So yeah, we got the bumper off. Now we need to figure out the brackets. I got new brackets for the new bumper. I'm gonna throw them brackets on, and then we're gonna be moving. So all right, let me get the brackets and stuff situated, figure out which one goes where, and then we're gonna put this thing on. All right, so we back. Here's the bumpers. What I'm about to go ahead and do now, I'm about to go ahead and switch everything around. So I got new brackets, but it didn't come with hardware, so I do need to take all these brackets off so I can get the hardware off of it. But yeah, it came with all the pieces that I'll need. As you can see, this piece right here straight. This one right here is bent from the accident, so I'll have to straighten that one up. And these pieces are specifically for the SS bumper cover. So here's the bracket that holds the cover on all the way around. So that's what I'll focus on right now. So I'll get that. All right, so as you can see, I brought it outside. That way I can see it a little better. And it's a little warm out in the sun. So I line up all the brackets, make sure I got everything I'm supposed to have. So these line up right there, this one here, and then we got this one, and it lines up right here as well. So that lines up there, and then we have this one that lines up over here. So all the brackets that I need, I have, and I also have the 2 outside support brackets that go here, and that one's straight, but this one right here is bent from the accident. So I'll go ahead and switch those out as well. Now what I'm gonna do is, as I was saying earlier, all these brackets here are specifically for to hold on the SS cover. So I'm gonna go ahead and take out all these. That way I can go ahead and take this cover off. That way I have access to all of the bolts that I need. And then we're gonna go ahead and put this thing on. Go ahead and put it on. What I did notice once I took everything off is that this headlight support is broke here. So I ordered a new one of these and a new bumper headlight bracket support. So I ordered 2 new of these. This one's cracked as well, so they should be in tomorrow, but I can change those out with the new bumper already on. So I'm gonna just go ahead and put the bumper on, and then tomorrow when they come, I'll go ahead and switch them out. I'm able to go ahead and put the grill on and stuff as well. So and then I do need to change out these transmission lines. As you can see, they cracking right there. So better to go ahead and change them out now than wait till later and then they crack, and then yep, you know how that goes. So all right, we're gonna start putting these brackets on and I'll be back. All right, so I got the actual bumper, the metal bumper off the cover. So now it's easier for me to just go ahead and transfer everything over. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna just go piece by piece. Put this piece on, then stick it here. I'm gonna go piece by piece until I get everything lined up. So, and I know some of these pieces I'm gonna have to bend because they were bent during the accident. So I already hit this one and bent this one back straight. I may have to tap these to line them up correctly. So I already know I'll probably have to do that. But all of this is real thin metal, so I'll be able to tap those brackets and get them where I need them to be. So I did get the grill out. This is what I was worried about. So this piece is discontinued, and this actual pattern, so they have some on eBay, but they don't have them this pattern. For this actual pattern, they got it up there for like 800 bucks. It's ridiculous. I'll take a picture of one and put it up here so I can show y'all what they asking for. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna try to fix this one myself. I'll probably try to fix it, and then I'm gonna spray it, and I'm gonna clean it up and then probably spray it back black. But yeah, I'm gonna put some heat to it, put some clamps on it, and I'm gonna try to plastic weld these pieces back together that's broke. That saved me a little money. So this right here is it snapped in half, but I'll plastic weld that and get that all fixed up. So I'll work on that probably later tonight. So right now my goal is to at least get the bumper and try to get the bumper cover on. So that's what I'm gonna work on right now. So all right, I'll be back in a few. Let me go ahead and work on it. All right, so that's the old bumper. Here's the new bumper. I got all the brackets transferred from that bumper over to this with the new brackets and using the old hardware. Looking at it, the bumper, I probably could have reused the bumper. I just had to like beat on it and fix it in a certain couple of places, but really the only thing that was bent was really the brackets. The bumper was still okay. So I probably could have just fixed this. Dang, that would have saved me some money, but I already pulled it and started doing everything, so it is what it is. So now I think I'm gonna go ahead and actually try to put it on and make sure everything's lined up correctly, and we're gonna get this new one put back on here. Start putting this thing back together. All right, so we got it on. I got it all on and got it all secure. So the bumper is on, it's secure, everything's in. Now what I need to do is slide the bumper cover on and hook up to all the brackets and stuff that we have. And also I took out these bottom pieces as well. These are the old ones, these are the brand new ones. So as you can see, that one's a little rough. but this one's pretty good. This one I think has been replaced before, because this one's still in good shape. I actually thought it had cracked, but it wasn't. It was the bumper around it. So, but I'm gonna go ahead and put the 2 brand new ones on. And like I said before, I'm gonna get these 2 painted black. That way I got some options. So if I decide to black out the vehicle, I can just switch these out. So, all right, so I'm gonna go ahead and get these put on the cover, and then we're gonna slide this cover on, and I'm gonna try to bolt this cover up. So at this point, I'm changing out the headlight support bracket. That's the new one. I already changed it out. So I need to change this one out as well. There's the package right here. And here's the other one. The reason I changed it out, it broke. The support piece broke down at the bottom, and then where the grill connects in, it broke. So it was broke here, and it was broke down here, the support down there. So I'm gonna just go ahead and change both of these out. As you can see, right here is what I'm talking about, where it's broke. The grill can't connect in there and be secure. So I'm gonna go ahead and change these out, and then we're gonna put the bumper cover back on, get everything bolted on, and then we'll put the grill and the lights back on. So I think prior to putting the lights on, I may go ahead and buff these. We'll see how long it takes me to get everything done. If not, I'll just do it another day, but I did want to buff them and put some LEDs in them. So that's the plan. So all right, I'll be back in a few. All right, so I got both of the support brackets put on. One thing to notice that I did notice is that this is a little bit too big for the hole. So what I'm gonna do is get my Dremel, and I'm gonna drill those, widen those holes up just a little bit, so this can still be snug, but also go through it, because this is what holds the top headlight on. So right now I'm gonna do that, and then we're gonna stick this bumper on, and then we're gonna start putting all this thing back together. So all right, back in a few. All right, so we got this on. Finally got this on. I had to buy all new clips, so I had to get some clips and stuff, but we got it all on, got it back together. I think one of the side gaps off a little bit, so I need to fix it. I'll adjust it just a little bit, but for the most part, it's all back together. I need to run to the store, get these bulbs, that way I can stick the headlights back in, put the grill in, and then be done. So it's getting dark out here, so I'm gonna go ahead and knock that out real quick. We'll be back. So, as I said in my video previously, this was cracked. So it's cracked in a few spots. It's just cracked right along here. So what I'm gonna do is, I'm gonna try to use this plastic welder that I picked up from Harbor Freight about a year ago. I picked up for something else and I never used it. So I picked up this. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna try to use that to fix all of these. That way I don't have to rebuy this. That's the only thing wrong with this, is this piece is broke right here, and then this is right here, which I'll try to weld that back together. So yeah, I'm gonna do that, and then we're gonna try to install this back in with everything else, so we can be done with the grill and the bumper install. So all right, so it's my first time doing this. Looks a little terrible, but it's all good. It's getting it done. So I joined those back together. That'll be on the very top, so nobody will ever be able to see that. And then I fixed that one right there, if you can see it. You can zoom in. So I'm gonna try to put some on here, and then we're gonna go outside and put this thing back in. So I'm gonna try to fix that. That one is bent all the way, so I may have to heat it up and bend it to see if I can get it. Or I may just, yeah, I'll try that. And if it doesn't, then oh well. So we'll see. We'll see what we can do to fix it. But we're gonna go ahead and get this thing back together. All right, so I got all of it welded up, just as good as it's gonna get. So try to heat it up and bend it, and so I got it all. All these were broke, so this one, and the top was broke. So I got it all good. At this point, we're gonna go outside and we're gonna try to put this thing back in. So, and voila, just like that, we done. So I got the grill put in. You can't really tell where it's done at. It was right there where it was broke at. These, you can't really tell. Just far as back right here, you can't even tell that it was broke. So yeah, that's done. I got the bumper put on. Got the brand new vents down at the bottom. So yeah, we got this thing complete. So I got a few other things I'm about to go ahead and knock out, but it'll be in another video. I am going to redo the headlights. I'm going to polish them, and as well as put some LEDs in the front here. So next up, I do need to get some new wheels, but I'm gonna take this to go get fixed and get painted. So this right here looked like the previous owner backed into something, so I'm gonna take this off. I might take it off today, take it to the guy and get him to go ahead and paint this for me as well, and then pick that back up, and then we're gonna clean this whole truck up, get all these scratches off. I may get the dent repair guy to come over and at least knock out these dents here. So there's a dent here. There's a few little small dents that I want to get the dentless paint removal guy to come and take a look at for me. So all right, that's all I got for this video. If this is your first time, like, comment, subscribe. I got a few other things I'm gonna do to this truck, but for the most part right now, that's it for this video, and I'll check y'all out on the next one.